So I kept having this problem with my Garmin Inreach Mini 2 where it keeps bouncing all over the place and hit me in the face when I just hang it on my backpack strap. So I came up with this design to fix that problem. So this is the design that I came up with in SketchUp. It's not really that fancy. Maybe it could be better, but hey, it works. So just go ahead and remove the supports here. Then I'm just testing this backing plate, which I'm actually going to add these springs behind, which are from guitar pickups, if you'd like to know. And that just kind of keeps some pressure out on the Garmin to help it kind of lock into place once you twist it into position. Otherwise, some of my first designs, it kept kind of sliding out, and that would be bad. So I'm just using hot glue on these springs. This spring design is really bad. If someone wants to take this and rehash it and come up with something a little bit better that you could just print, that'd be awesome. Please do so. I'll leave a link to the STL in the description below. So you can see here, this is the backing piece that I designed for the Garmin. And it just clicks into place. They're nice. So I have these Velcro straps that actually came with my electric drums, so just reusing those for these. They work great. And you can see that fits onto the strap there nice and snug. So I actually made a piece for my walkie-talkies as well, so it's interchangeable, which is kind of nice. And that's not moving anywhere. And I put another one on my life jacket. And more on the wall for wall storage.